afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. We'll begin our class. Okay, so we have discussed about human rights. Okay, and also about Universal Declaration of Human Rights. 30 basic human rights were there. Some of them we have discussed. That is, every person is born free. Everyone has equal rights and dignity. Everyone can practice their religion. Okay, so discussed many of the human rights. Okay,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
also we discussed about
United
yes,
Nations Human Rights
Council.
Council.
UNHRC.
Yes,
UNHRC.
UNHRC. Okay, it is an international organization. Okay, and 193 member countries. Okay, are included
Established
in
in
this
2006.
Established in
in this
2006.
organization, and it was established in the year
2006.
2006 to protect the
Human
rights
of
people.
human rights of all
People
over the
people
world.
all over the world.
Yes. Okay. And
And
also
next
we
we'll
have
study about
uh,
Indian
yes. Now we
National
have discussed about
National Human Rights
National
Commission.
Human Rights
Human
Commission.
that is NHRC.
NHRC.
For the nation India. Okay. So National Human Rights Commission NHRC was set up in the year
1993.
1993 to protect or to
To
promote the
protect
human rights of
human rights of Indians.
Okay, it is
Human Rights
UNHRC.
of
It is an
Indians.
international organization, and this one it is for the Indian people.
Yes.
Okay,
Only for India.
Yes. Okay.
For their own country.
Yes.
Means our
for
India.
Indians. Okay. And children. Wait a minute, children.
No problem.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, can you see this?
Which one? Yes, Angelina. Yes, the same. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. So, children. So. National Human Rights Commission. Okay, it is for the people of India to protect to the human rights. Okay, to protect and promote the human rights of the Indian people. Okay, so we have discussed about the activities. Okay, what these people are doing for the Indians, is it?
Yes,
Right,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What is this, ma'am?
What is the first thing?
And your screen is little bit big.
Wait.
Ma'am, your screen one picture. Ma'am, we can only see the options. EB house.
Ma'am, what?
EB
Ma'am,
easy
what
board.
did you ask, ma'am?
Means what are the activities of? Can you see the board, children?
We can see only
Ma'am, we can only see the symbol of the easy board.
See the board properly.
Ma'am,
Now
what
is it
did you
okay?
ask, ma'am?
Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Coming,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Coming.
Then
Yes, now.
what are the activities of National Human Rights Commission? Okay, what these organizations is doing for the Indians? Okay, and the first one, okay, it keeps a watch on the various activities of the government and the people. It always check. Okay, it always check the activities of
Indian people.
activities of the
people.
government and the people.
Indian people.
Of the government.
Check there. Ma'am,
Yes.
check there.
Yes, Shreya?
Ma'am, I didn't understand. Can you explain again?
Yeah, sure.
I'm not remembering that in the last
Okay.
class.
See, children, this organization is protecting the human rights of the Indians. Okay, this organization is for the Indian people. Okay, so what they were doing, check the activities of the government. Whether any action, whether any action of the government, it is against, it is against the human rights.
Human rights.
Okay,
It is government or Indian people.
or is any action by the government or any people, okay, or any person, it is violating the human right. Okay, so they are children.
Some disturbance sounds.
Mute your audio. Whose audio is not muted? Okay, so children, this NHRC, it's check, okay, the activities of the government and the Indian people. Whether any action of the government or the people, okay, or a person, it is
Okay, watch.
violating the human rights. Or is there any cases, okay, that are not protecting or the human right is not being protected? Okay, so this NHRC, it always check the activities of the government and the people. Do you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
It
so
is
this is the
government
first and
or not?
foremost. Yes, they check the activities of
Yes.
the government. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
the second one goes through the laws. Goes through the laws. If any laws made by the government, okay, made by the government is against to the human rights, okay, it is no, if it is violating
Not.
human rights, okay, so
Not also
NHRC,
the time.
time to time to check if they protect and promote the human rights. If any laws
It's
passed
going.
by children, if any laws passed by the government protecting the human right, or if it is against the human right, okay, that also being checked by the NHRC. Okay, children? Is it
Someone is
clear?
blowing, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Please mute your audio, children.
Because I didn't,
Okay. Then
hear
next
you.
is
I didn't hear you.
spread awareness. See, children, some people, those who are not educated, okay, awareness means informations. Okay, so children, means people, okay, those who are not educated, okay, so they were not aware about this human rights and all. Okay, so as a citizen, we should know about our rights. Okay, and if any right is being violated, okay, what will means what will be the punishment? Okay, or what will be the after effect? This all should be known by each and every individual. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We should know what we have, what we can do and what we cannot do. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so
Go to the strength and weakness.
okay, so NHRC, okay, is spreading awareness, okay, spreading awareness about the human rights, and they are doing this through the publications, media, and seminars. Publication means through the
Newspapers,
newspapers
television.
and all
Neighbors,
media, like TV
medias,
channels, okay, and also seminars. They are conducting many seminars for the
news
people,
channels.
yes, for the people
Excuse
to
me, ma'am.
understand about this human rights. Okay,
Ma'am.
so if we know about human rights, two things we could take care. One was we can means we know what all right we possess. Okay, other one we can means we can avoid the chance to break or to means to do against to this human right. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Without awareness.
Yes. So spreading awareness through the medias, through the seminars, and through the television channels and all publications and all, people are getting information about the human rights. So that also was doing by NHRC, National Human Right Commission.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Ma'am, can you again explain that goes to law? I didn't hear that.
Third
Someone
one.
blowing.
Third point.
No, second one.
Second one goes through the law. See, children, if sometimes, okay, some laws is passed by the government. The government will pass the law for the people. Okay, sometimes, okay, it's not, it's not beneficiary for all people. Okay, sometimes it affects the sentiments of some people. See, children, for example,
Ma'am, what is the difference between suspend and cancel?
Suspend means it will take for a short time. Short time. After then they will revise the law and it will applicable. Okay. Cancel means they can't never bring it back again. Okay.
Permanently.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes, permanent. Okay. So the first and foremost duty, okay, of this NHRC to check the activities of the government and the Indian people, whether any human right is being violated, okay, or by the action of the government or by a people, means by the people. That is checked by this NHRC. And the other one, they will checking the laws, okay, and also they revise the law. Revise the law means that sometimes a law passed in the year, children, have you
Yes, ma'am.
Understood.
the next
Yes, ma'am.
spreading awareness. We should know about our rights. Okay, so some people, those who are not educated, they were not getting any information regarding this human rights and the violation of the human rights. Okay, so it is the duty of NHRC. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ah,
can you hear the mean? I'm gonna join another device.
okay, okay. So it is the duty of NHRC to spread awareness through the medias, seminars, okay, to the people about the human rights and also about the violation of the human rights. Okay. Then lastly, children, lastly,
Ma'am?
yes,
Ma'am, NHRC is producing the news channels, the television.
NHRC,
NHRC is producing that news channels.
Shreya, it's not clear. Can you repeat?
Ma'am, NHRC produce that news channels.
No. Through the medias. Okay. Through the medias, or they were organizing seminar, means the officials, okay, officials of this organization will speak to the people through the medias, or they publish an article or a journal through the newspapers and all. Okay. To educate, to
Okay,
give
ma'am.
awareness about this human rights. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Can you hear me properly now?
Now it's okay.
Okay.
Then
so my earphones
lastly, help other institutions that work in the field of human rights.
Yes, ma'am. Good things.
Yes, help other institutions who are working in the same field. That means to promote
Human rights.
human rights. We will study some examples in this
Ma'am,
chapter.
polices. Police.
Not police, dear. Police actually it is a wing of the government. You know, it is a special wing. It is a special wing. Police
Understood
is
now
helping.
properly. Ma'am, I understood now properly.
It's all, these all points are there in the textbook. Okay. Okay, children. So last, they're helping the other institution who are working in the same field to promote a human right. Okay, to promote human rights or to protect the human rights. Okay, the NHRC work with the, and also it is work with the central government, state government, and also local government or the court. Okay, so children, police is there to arrest. Okay, if any human rights violation, okay, if any case is being reported, if any child is being forced to work by a man, okay, whom we will inform all these matters, children?
Police.
Police.
Or
Police.
we will report this before the court, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In such situation,
Yes.
police and the court will be there to help us. Okay, so have you heard about children's helpline number?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
1098?
Yes, ma'am.
1098?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
yes.
ma'am. In bus.
Then, if any child is being abused or harassed by anyone, okay, or if he is forced to work anywhere, a 14-year-old child or a 15-year-old child.
Child marriage.
Means child labor. Okay, I'm talking about child labor. So if any child is forced to work under someone, we can call 1098 and we can inform this helpline. Okay, we will get help from this one, and the person who made him to work is being arrested, and the child will get means proper measures for his education and all. Okay, so if any cases of means this human right violation, if it is being reported, okay, the NHRC will help these people to find out the solution. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
So we
Okay.
have, in our country, we have an organization to protect the human rights of all us. Okay, of all us, means we can will get informations related to human rights, and if any cases of human right violation is being reported, we can approach to them, and also we will get help from the court and as well as the police. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am. Wiggle India movement.
Yes. Many organizations are there. We will study in detail about them. So, children, all these 4 points are clear to you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay. See, children, the first point is, what is the first point? Check the activities of the government and the Indian people.
Keep
Okay,
a watch.
the government, yes, the government
Government.
has to
watch
means follow. Okay, means they need to take care whether any action by the government is violating the human rights. Okay, whether it is not good for the people. Okay, so this is being checked by NHRC. Okay, the second
Okay,
one,
ma'am.
they are going means, time to time. Okay, they will check the laws.
Laws.
If any revision is needed, they will revise the laws. Okay, they need
Also.
change. Okay, they change the laws. Okay,
Mm.
or if we want to cancel that
They will
also.
cancel.
Okay, yes. And the other one, spread awareness. Okay, through the medias, they are giving information. Okay, they are giving informations or awareness about the human rights and the human rights violations. Okay, they are giving awareness to the people. Okay, through the medias. And the last one, to help other institutions who are working in the same field. Okay, that is Vigil India movement. That all we will study and discuss, children. So they will help other institutions to promote or protect the human right, and also they will
Ma'am,
work with
is that vigil or wiggle?
vigil.
Okay, ma'am.
And also this NHRC is work with the central level, state government, and also with the court. Okay, so if any cases of this means if any cases
Okay, ma'am.
of like this, like any types of violation, okay, if we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
found anywhere, it is our duty to
Okay, ma'am.
inform the police or the human right institution, okay, to inform all these things, because we could save or we could help anyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and I have told you, especially
Ma'am.
women, children, and laborers. Okay, women and children, you know, women, in case of women, they are very sensitive, very emotional. So obviously, yes, they will be exploited by others. Children also,
ma'am.
means if there is no one to protect them. Okay, the condition of children
They will be
also,
sad.
yes, very safe, means it's not safe for them, so we need, means
Yes.
they need someone's help.
They will
Okay.
kidnap someone.
Yes. Kidnap. And also sometimes, have you heard about beggary? You know, beggary.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
forced to. Some children will be kidnapped. Okay, they would kidnap
Ma'am.
and also
Ma'am.
force them for beggary. Okay, even to beg some work.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And also,
And they will give all the money to them itself.
In Saudi Arabia and all beggary was there.
It is
Yeah.
there in movie. Children's
yes, kidnappers also. And also, you know, children,
Saudi
sometimes
kidnappers are
they will means they will force some kids to work in their hotels, restaurants, and
Yes,
also
ma'am.
in means dangerous situations also. Some dangerous situations also, these kids will force to work.
yeah, ma'am. That they will show the chocolate, then we will go. Then like that they will
Take
kidnap.
care, my dear children. Okay. See, in our
ma'am.
yes, in Kerala,
Our favorite table
it
show.
is banned over here. Banned. It is banned actually.
Excuse me, ma'am. Attendance.
It's the time to take attendance.